The barrage of increasingly advanced artillery from Gaza is once again testing Israel's Iron Dome missile defense system. The Israeli military said that Iron Dome intercepted at least 21 rockets on July 9th, with user-generated video of the system in action appearing across social media platforms. Iron Dome works like this. The system's radar unit identifies an incoming rocket and relays information about its speed and trajectory to the missile battery's control center. There, computers calculate whether or not the rocket is going to land in a populated area. If it is, a Tamir interceptor missile is fired. The interceptor missile receives constant guidance from the control center and its own internal radar. When the interceptor nears the incoming rocket, it detonates, destroying both rockets. During hostilities between Israel and Hamas in 2012, the Israeli military claimed that Iron Dome intercepted 421 rockets.